Good day. This project was on the use of Harvista to control superficial scald on Packham triumph pears. We know that Smart Fresh is very good in controlling scald on pears, but we also know that pears are very sensitive towards 1-MCP or Smart Fresh and do have ripening issues after storage. So the aim of this trial was to evaluate if we can apply Harvista a 1-MCP spray before harvest, and if that can control superficial scald during extended storage. So what we did is we went to a Packham Triumph orchard, which was just released. So it was an early optimum. We did a 1x and a 2x Harvista application. 3 days later, which is the withholding period of the Harvista, we went to harvest the fruit for storage. 7 days after the first spray, we did the second application on a different section of the orchard. Same story, we harvested 3 days later the storage samples. And then again, 7 days later, we did the same. So all of this fruit was stored for 3, 5, and 7 months in RA, and then also subjected to a shelf life afterwards, during which we assessed all your normal maturity parameters such as firmness and color. We also assessed superficial scald. So this scald presented here are from the 2016, and it's from after the shelf life period, after each of the storage times, which was 3 months, 5 months, and 7 months. After 3 months storage, there was no scald detected on any of the fruit, not even on the control. We did, however, see superficial scald on control fruit after 5 months and 7 months on fruit from all of the harvests. And then also we saw it on the 1x application and the 2x application, but in a lot lower levels. The same was observed for the 2017 season, where there was scald after 5 months on the controls, but reduced levels on the Harvista treated fruit, and the same also for the 2018. So what we've learned is that superficial scald can be reduced but not controlled by the Harvista, and that future works would rather focus on Harvista and storage techniques as a means of controlling the scald. We also experienced some ripening issues with the Harvista on the Packhams, that fruit, even after 7 months RS storage, the fruit that was treated with Harvista didn't ripen below 5 kg during shelf life. We want to thank Over Farm in Viljoen for using their orchard for 3 seasons, for AgroFresh for supplying Harvista product, and all the Experico staff that helped with the sprays and assessments and harvests.